In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a catchy Instagram post about eco-friendly living using ChatGPT and Canva. The process is straightforward and fun, enabling you to effortlessly craft a visually appealing post that conveys your message effectively. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to visit chat.openai.com. Once there, log in with your account details. If you don't have an account yet, you can quickly create one by following the on-screen prompts. Logging in allows you to access the powerful capabilities of ChatGPT, which will assist you in generating engaging content for your post. With the chat box open, type in your request. For instance, you might say, "Create a catchy Instagram post caption about eco-friendly living." As soon as you hit enter, ChatGPT will process your request and provide you with a creative and attention-grabbing caption. Take a moment to review the text, ensuring it aligns with your vision and message. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and copy the text result. This will be the centerpiece of your Instagram post. Now, head over to canva.com and log in. Canva is a fantastic design tool, and the best part is that a free account offers a plethora of options to choose from. If you're new to Canva, setting up an account is a breeze. After logging in, you'll see a wide array of templates that cater to various platforms and media forms. Next, choose a template that fits the type of post you aim to create. In this case, since we're focusing on Instagram, look for the templates designed explicitly for Instagram posts. These are typically sized and formatted perfectly for the platform, saving you the hassle of making adjustments later. Once you've selected the template, you can paste the ChatGPT text into the design. This is where your creativity comes into play. Customize the colors, fonts, and images to match your personal or brand aesthetic. Perhaps you want to incorporate greens and blues to echo the theme of eco-friendliness, or you might decide on a specific font that enhances readability and visual impact. As you tweak the design, consider the overall balance and harmony of elements. Canva's user-friendly interface makes it easy to drag and drop different components until you find the perfect look. Finally, when your design reflects exactly what you envision, it's time to download or share your creation. Canva provides multiple download options, allowing you to choose the file type that best suits your needs. Alternatively, you can directly share your post on various social media platforms straight from Canva, ensuring that your audience sees it instantly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've harnessed the power of both ChatGPT and Canva to create a vibrant and compelling Instagram post about eco-friendly living. Happy posting!